Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of our Speed Simulator. Now, sorry it's been a while. I've just not been the greatest, but today we're gonna finish off our multiple rebirth buttons. So to do that, we're gonna open our starter GUI. We're gonna open up the Prestige shop. Open up the P shop here. Click on that. Go into the properties and make it visible. We're now gonna open this up. And we're going to open our scrolling frame. I'm going to see 1. I'm going to duplicate this and rename this to 2 and drag this down. You want to make sure these perfect gaps. Now what you actually could do is on the scrolling frame you could add in a vertical, what is it? No, sorry, not vertical. You want to add a UI and then you want to add a list layout here. Now on here we can change a few things. The padding, going to make it 0, 0, just for now. Now I want to show you what this does. If we duplicate this, it will automatically make it smaller and smaller. I'm just going to call it 2. That's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to click on the rebirth and I'm going to change the text to +2. And now we're under what we're actually going to do. We'll come back to this in a minute. Or should we? Yeah, no, we'll come back to it in a minute. We're going to make another one. This is going to become 3. I'm going to make 5 rebirth buttons. Actually, no, I'm only going to make 3 because 5 is quite a lot. And it'll just save time if you only make 3. But you can make as many as you want. I'm only going to make 3 rebirth buttons. Now, what we want to do is open each one. And we'll see, obviously, our cost value. This here is going to be 3,000. No, for the second one, it'll be 2,000 for the cost. So change all the second costs to 2,000. And, yep. That's all that. Now for the third one, we're going to change these to 3,000. Like so. And now we got one more thing to change. So we're now going to go to replicate storage and add a new folder. This folder will be called Prestige Events. Let's call it that. Let's grab in our, where's our rebirth? Where is that located? It was in here. Oh, it's under events. Oh, okay. No, so what we want to do is add a folder into the events script, and we'll rename this folder to Prestige Events. That's it. Now we'll drag our rebirth into there. Now we're going to make 3 of these. This will be rebirth 2. The first one I'm just going to rename to rebirth 1. Then this will become rebirth 3. And I'm going to open up each of these scripts. You don't need the text one, you only need the first script of each thing. So not that one. You don't want the, just as I say, you don't want the text. Now this will become rebirth 1 because obviously you're calling the first rebirth, but you also need so it'll be after the dot event you're going to add dot prestige events dot rebirth 1. And now I'm just going to go copy that, place it there, and this will become rebirth 2, and this will obviously be rebirth 3. There we go. Now that all that's done, we're just gonna go up to our events, and we're gonna say script dot prestige events dot rebirth 1, and now we're gonna copy this. Say rebirth 2. This isn't gonna be the most optimized thing in the world, but we're not gonna go that big in a speed simulator, so we're not gonna need huge numbers, so it doesn't really matter that much. Anyway, now we've got player.leavestats.rebirths.value. This is plus equal 2. This is gonna plus equal 10 gems, and this is gonna plus equal. This is gonna add another 1 if you have the double prestige. Then this will plus equal 3. That'll be 15 gems. And that's that. Now we've got another thing to do, so we're gonna go back down to our P shop and we're gonna hide the 2 and the 3rd scrolling frame. We're just going to hide them. We're not going to need them, because that's all going to be done through script. So now, if I quickly go up to my Speed Simulator game, I want to show you what we're going to do. If we go into leader stats. Okay, yeah, so in our prestige shop, we've got this script here. Now, if I go back over here, so we don't want this script, we're just going to delete it. We're going to add in a new local script, and we're going to rename this to Prestige Handler. I'm just going to copy this all in. Now ignore this, because this is a lot. What we're actually going to want to do is, this is just basically the script, so it's relatively simple. We're also going to need to make an upgrade level before this will work. Let me remove these, because we're not going to need these, and that. This is all we're going to need. Now, we'll come back to this in a minute, and sort this out in chunks. But for now, we're just going to leave that open, don't close it. Because what we need to do is go back over to our leader stats, and we now want to make a, we're just going to copy all of upgrade 2, right? We'll drop down, this will become upgrade 3 level, same thing here, upgrade 3 level, this will be upgrade 3 cost, upgrade 3 cost. Now if we look over on this, my upgrade 3 cost is actually only 3, and that's because we're going to pay for this in gems. So I'm going to make it 3 gems. This is going to be equal to a level 3, 3, 3 and 3. There we go. Oh no, we're going to leave those because they're level 2s. This will just become 3 and that will become 3. There we go. Now, that's that basically done. All we want to do now is go into our upgrades, shop GUI. We're going to open our shop, make it visible. We go in the scrolling frame. I'm actually going to add in a UI, where is it? Layout. Let me get a UI layout. Oh, I can't search it like that. I'm going to get a list layout once again, and I'm going to make the padding on the scale of 0.1. No, that's too much. 0.025, like so. That's better. And that will separate all this stuff for me. That's better. Now this is going to become upgrade 3, and I'm going to open this. Ignore all that. This is going to become, the name of it is going to be new Rebirth Button, and then the description we're just going to leave as it is. I'm not going to type out the description because you lot can do it yourself, but it'll be relatively simple. Now here we're going to fire upgrade 3 event, which we haven't made yet, but we'll make it in a minute. In the text, we're going to say upgrade 3 cost, and then this will become gems, not coins. Our level is going to be upgrade 3 level, and then we're going to have a dot, and then quotation marks, then a forward slash, and dot, player dot, because we're going to have a max as well. Yeah, we're going to have a max up. Actually, no we're not. No, we're not. Not today, we won't. So, actually, what you can do is go back down to your leader stats, and have we already made it? No, okay, it's good. Now what we want to do is we can close off our shop for now. I think it's basically done. But what we do need to do is we can actually completely make our shop invisible now. If we go back over to events, no, not events, sorry, replicate storage, go to upgrade events, we now need to make upgrade 3 event, which we've got. There we go. Now, if we go over here, we can scroll down to upgrade 2 events, copy that, then this will become upgrade 3 event. Now, let me go compare these 2 scripts, because I want to show you something. That's what we're going to do here. If we find our upgrade 3 event, let me just copy this. It's very similar to our upgrade 1 event. So what you actually will want to do is copy your upgrade 1, ignore that, and paste in your upgrade 1 event. If you don't want, you can just go copy all of this, but I'm not going to. I'm going to type it out. So this is going to be upgrade event, so upgrade 3 event now, because it's our 3rd event. Then we're going to say if player.gems, we're just going to change this to gems. big out equal to upgrade free cost. Then the gems dot value is going to be minus equal to upgrade free cost. And then we say upgrade free cost times equals blah blah blah. I'm going to make this slightly bigger for the gems, 1.56. Then upgrade free level is going to be equal 1. Now that we've got that, we can probably close this. Yeah, I think we can close this off now. Also, I just want to say something quickly about pets in this series. I don't think I'm going to do a video in this series on pets, but I'm going to do it as a separate episode, so not in the series, but as like an extra episode. We're going to go back into our prestige handler. I'm going to say local player equals game.players.local player. Local upgrades equals player colon wait for child upgrade. So we're waiting for the upgrades folder to become a thing. I'm going to say local, well, for it to load into the character. Local prestige level equals upgrades colon find first child upgrade free level. So we're going to find the level of the upgrade. We're going to say local prestige 1 equal, oops, all is one thing, equal script.parent.scrolling, oh, scrolling frame, why can I not do that? Script.parent. Let me find my prestige. Oh no, so this will be script.parent.pshop.scrolling frame dot 1. This will just be, oh, we can't just call it that. We'll just do 1 in the square brackets. Then that'll find it. Now we're going to copy this. That is what it's called, isn't it? They're just called like 1. And yeah. Now we're just going to duplicate that 2 times, sorry. Then this will be 2 and 3, then 2 and 3. And then, of course, we're going to say, we can clear all that now. I'm going to say, while wait do, so we're going to make an infinite loop. If prestige level dot value equals 1, then prestige 1 dot visible, so I can't spell, equals true. And then we're just gonna copy this, paste. We only need 3 pastes, and then this will become. We can actually close that off now. This will be prestige 1. This will become 2 and then 3. Now I'm just gonna only copy this dot visible and paste it in. So first one's got 1 dot visible, second one's got 2, and the third one's got 3. Now this will be 1 and 2. This will be 2 and 3. There we go. So you just want to make sure they're all visible. So when you're the reason why we're making them all visible rather than just prestige 3 is because when we load the game from previous saves, then the previous ones won't be visible. Anyway, we can close that now. I believe we're done. We just need to go into the data store and say local save value 11 equals player dot upgrades dot upgrade free level, and then local save value 12 equals player dot upgrades dot upgrade free level. Not level, sorry, this will be cost, wouldn't it? Now I don't believe you need to save the where is my save data? It's here. Oh wait, no, we're not even doing max, are we? We're going to do that in another video. Yes, so now we just want to copy these 2, duplicate them twice. It'll be at 11. This will be 12. This will become 11 and 12 as well. Now we're just going to go to the end of this little table here, which, by the way, is getting. Whoops, this table down here is getting really long. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to copy. Actually, no, I'm going to split it, so after the third, I'm just going to enter, and it will drop it for me. And same with here. There we go. That's a nice. Now it's a lot neater. Can actually fit it all in one thing. So this will become save value 11, comma. Just make sure you do the comma whenever you drop it. And this will become save value 12. That's better. And now we can keep all that. Now we just need to go once again, same thing here. Drop that. Drop that. Drop that. Drop that. And this is just going to be comma player dot upgrades dot upgrade 3 level dot value. That's right. And then I'm gonna drop down again and say, yeah, I'm gonna drop down and say player. Just gonna tab in player dot upgrades dot upgrade 3 cost dot value, and that's it. Now if we test this, if all goes well, as you can see, I actually don't have any gems. That's a lie. We need to fix our sell button now. Okay, so our prestige just doesn't actually open. Let's go fix that. That is because we've broken it. Okay, so we need to, in our prestige handler, we need to say, underneath the while wait, we can just say script.parent.open.button, yeah, text button, dot mouse button 1 click, :connect, function, and now we're just going to say open. We'll say script.parent.pshop.visible equals true. Equals, actually no, we'll say not. Oh no, we'll just say true. There we go. Now, if we test this, sorry everyone, I have a bit of a cold at the moment as well, so. Now, our prestige should open, but it won't. Why is it not opening? Open.text button, mouse 1 click, script.parent.pshop.visible equals true. So that should be opening. Was it not? Let me just cut that and put it above the while wait loop do thing. And if we test it now, why is it not? Oh yeah, so it just has to be above the while wait do, because otherwise it won't work. There we go. Now I'm gonna rebirth really quick, and as you can see I have 5 gems. We've got the 1 prestige thing here. Now if I go over to my shop and upgrade my new rebirth button, which doesn't actually cost anything, we'll fix that in a minute. If we click purchase, now go over here. Okay, yeah, it's not working. To be a local script, and we'll add a local script to start GUI, and we'll call this value fixer. Say local player equals game.players.local player. I'm going to say if player dot, and we're going to use the no, we're going to say while wait do. No, we're not. Sorry, we're gonna say if player dot colon wait for child upgrades colon find first child, and then this is gonna be upgrade 3 level dot no it won't. This is gonna be cost dot value is equal to 0. Then I'm just going to basically copy all that, and we're just going to say equals 3, and that will set it to 3. But it's because it needs to start at 0 and then 1 and 2. That's why. which I believe is the same with... Have I actually got the same problem on here? Let me have a look. Yeah, I've got the exact same problem here. So that should technically be what? 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. And I'm just going to save that. Now I'm going to completely close that because we're not going to need it for this episode. And the reason for that is we're done. We should now be able to click play again, and it should have saved. So with all hope, it's saved. Let's click prestige, and it's saved. Awesome. And it's given us our 3 now because we have level 3. That's just what we want. Now next episode, we're going to make a max, so you can only buy a maximum of 3 or however many upgrades you want. So they can't just buy infinite of the upgrade. There's like a maximum limit to how many they can buy. So thanks for watching this one, everyone. I don't know why my skin's so ugly, to be honest. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And make sure to subscribe if you're enjoying our content. Sorry I haven't sounded very pretty on this video, I've got a cold. But yeah, thanks for watching and bye.